Hey guys, this is a one-on-one match to 5 versus Firion, who's actually above rank in me than me, and it's Mega Cannon's game to 5, and let's see how I do. This is gonna be actually really hard. Yes, I do use Lacerator. And you saw I moved a little before it even started. So he went for the sniper. He should be down shortly. There he is. Well, it was a good match, but, you know. And now I have a sniper. Woo. And now he's going back up for it. He's doing good. I want Firion to join Climax, but he's already in VIP, which is bad. It's a bad thing. Oh, I'm pretty weak. Okay, he committed suicide. He fell on a thing. Poor him. Oh, crap. Oh man. Ah! Scorcher. What? He quit. Great. He quit. He died 4 times. I died 0, 3, 0. Firion. He probably hated me because I used the duels. No, I didn't even get duels. Because I used Lacerator the whole time. I use Scorcher and Concussion a lot. Mostly Scorcher with the Spitfire mod. It works good for me. And I'm not a bad sniper either. Not too bad sniper. I like the turret a lot, actually. Oh man. Oh, he quit. Too bad. I wonder if he knows I was recording, because it was only to 5, and the game was one-on-one, even though I quit. Whatever. Hope you liked it.